Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about correlate function. With this function we can remove the null values, the products which are not existed or we don't know the name. So first of all I just run my basic query and here I use the structure select from and I just order this order by. So here I select the name of table from table price and here I select product comma customer ID comma product code and here I order this by product and run. You can see here, so the first two is the name of the product. We don't know what's the name of the product, so these are null. So how can we replace this with product code or remove this? In that case we can use the correlate function, so which is pretty easy. I just come here, before the product I just write correlate and here, so in order to bring product code and replace it with the null, so I have to write the product code also between this bracket, product code, close the bracket, and here I replace the null with product code here. So I just, the rest is okay. So I want to apply another filter here, where purchase size equal to 1. So I just run the query. That's it. You can see here I have replaced the null with the product code. You can see it's the product code and it's the product code. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.